Alright, so I have my complete set of TCA F3s and passenger cars. So the set originally was the ABA. The B unit has the rail sounds with the motor revving and the horn and bell. And then you have the non-powered A unit. There were 9 cars with the set. First one is the City of Los Angeles. They're not in any particular order. I guess they made one car a year for 9 years because they're all year numbered. I'm not really sure about that though. So you got the City of Los Angeles baggage car, a combine car, City of Chicago. That one's marked 2002. City of Phoenix is marked 1997. City of Providence is marked 1998. And the combine car for Grand Rapids, that was marked 2000. Vista Dome, City of Chattanooga. These have a little more detail as they have tables and chairs up there. And the observation tail end car, City of Phoenix, which is kind of cool. It's a little different than what we're used to seeing from Lionel. Has some people in there and a little more realism. Then the 2 cars I don't have on there because space is limited. Because I got a City of Dallas Sky Dome. Again, that has tables and chairs on an upper level. And then another baggage car, City of San Francisco, 1999, and the City of Dallas was 1996. So, yeah, as I got to remind everybody, yes, I'm doing the layout rebuild. So the only working track I have right now is an 031 on the lower section. And with a train this long, and these cars really look much better on a 072 setup. So I'll probably end up running them again when the layout's back up and do another video. But I'll go ahead and run them on the 031s. So that's the first time I ran the ABAs. I've always just had those on the shelf, and I can, they were also 2000 when these were produced. So, of course, the first thing I had to do is when to put all these cars on it, first thing you got to do is change all those traction tires. 10-year-old traction tires are pretty much shot too hard or too stretched out. So new traction tires, this set actually can pull all the cars. I'm just limited by the size of the layout. So, all right, so I do not have another set video probably for quite some time. I'm compiling a how to do the wiring layout. I've started to do some pre-work on that, and so I'm going to start with the how-tos with some wiring basics, and that'll be the next one, but it's probably going to be 2 weeks out or so. All right, have a nice night, everyone.